passenger? So it's not like a classic to me. Anything that's 79 and older is a classic. At least the kind of trucks that I like.
Right, right.
And we found this 87 and everything, other than the nice seat cover. And so we put a nice seat in it. So anyway, we gutted it, put all this stuff in it. We intended to try and make it a patina truck, so we actually sanded it down and caused into the other. And I got it for 1,800. So you're figuring 2,800 is what I'm into that truck. I could keep trying that, and the bumper looks amazing. But as soon as you get it wet, it's like, you know, it's the dust off. Like if you were your hand across it, it would like wipe off. Right, right. So we didn't like that. We didn't like
And hit the light.